Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to factory data reset on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Okay, tap this. In system, okay, you can see the reset. Okay, go to reset. And reset, okay, you can see the factory data reset. Okay, if you factory data reset, okay, reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. Okay, you'll have to do to proceed to factory data reset is tap the factory data reset. And okay guys, here all data will be erased from your phone including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, the decryption key for files on the SD card. Okay, you will not be able to use encrypted files on the SD card after you reset your device to factory defaults. And okay guys, to reset or to factory data reset, you'll have to do is tap the reset button below. And okay, after that, okay, you can see the all personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Okay, to proceed again, you'll have to do is tap the delete all button. And okay guys, shutting down, okay, the phone is shut down to factory data reset. And okay guys, okay, let's go. Okay, slide from left to right. I have read and agree to all your above. Okay, tap the next button and connect to Wi-Fi. And after that, after you connect, okay, tap next button and checking for updates. And after that, okay, copy apps and data. Okay, you can don't copy this by tap the don't copy. Google sign in. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. And skip account setup. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. Google service. Okay, scroll down and tap the accept button. And okay guys, protect your phone. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button and skip anyway. Okay, tap the skip anyway button. Sign into your Samsung account. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. Phone optimization. Okay, tap the next button. And all done. Okay, tap the finish button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully factory data reset the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.